How should individuals get a shining skin? By getting face pack together with curry leaves, fennel seeds, and rose water. Many engineered materials used in healthy skin items are essentially vehicles for delivering active fixings into the deeper layers of the skin. If not, a few fixings would be lost, making the item less appealing. To have flawless and gleaming skin using natural products while avoiding synthetics. What is the point of using skincare products that are commonly found in the home? Brutal cleaning agents can harm the skin's external layer, thus, using natural skin health management fixings can ease irritated skin while preventing breakouts and skin harm. With all the counterfeit items clogging the market because of the growing emphasis on solid maturing and mental self-portrait, genuine items stand out. This face pack is extremely simple to prepare and removes unsightly flaws and pimples. Given the normal strategies we employ, one can apply these facial coverings as many times as necessary. They are excellent for saturating and sustaining skin from the inside out, as well as eliminating dead skin cells in a matter of seconds. Use of a face mask. The pack should apply to a wet face daily, shaping a glue of it in water to the desired thickness. It should be applied even to the face with the help of a brush. It ought to be permitted to dry for 15 minutes. Then, with the help of a wet wipe, it should be removed. Natively constructed face packs are now being used for a wide range of applications because of the many advantages they have over synthetic-based packs. They are non-harmful, non-vulnerable, and non-propensity shaping. They are normal in every way, with longer periods of usability. Not only that, but they can be easily figured out and saved over a longer period. Curry leaf. Curry leaves are high in cell reinforcements, have antimicrobial properties, and contain a few essential nutrients for the skin, such as vitamin A and L-ascorbic acid, which are extremely beneficial in keeping the skin healthy. Seeds of fennel. Fennel seeds are a wonder food. It has a few nutrients, antimicrobial, and mitigating properties that will help your skin. Fennel seeds, besides preventing skin peeling, can provide relief from all magnificence-related concerns. In terms of skincare, fennel seed contains a plethora of nutrients and supplements that help to keep skin youthful, clean, and solid. Water of roses. Rose water is well known for its germ-free and antimicrobial properties. Rose water maintains your skin's pH level. When these two ingredients are combined with curry leaves, they form a convenient face pack that aids in the removal of dirt from the skin. What is the enthralling explanation that draws women to this brand? Face packs shed skin while also mitigating, quieting, and cooling the skin. Skincare is rewarding because, with consistent skincare routines, you are likely to see noticeable effects like perfection or brilliance, and this can help confidence, which will support mindset. When you spoil your body, the supplements you give help with improving the sound sparkle of your skin and mean more confidence. When we buy expensive beauty care products, we do not know that many homemade items in our kitchen can make our skin shine. The non-toxic nature of homegrown beauty care products is one of their advantages. It keeps the skin on the face healthy. This face pack provides essential nourishment to the skin. Curry leaves are one of the most commonly used home remedies. These leaves have restorative properties and are excellent for the excellence and shine of the skin on the face. Curry leaves are safe and have no negative side effects. Applying curry leaves to the skin from a distance aids in skin recovery. It also aids in the treatment of common skin issues such as dermatitis, skin breakouts, bacterial contamination, and so on. Copper, magnesium, and zinc are abundant in fennel seeds. As the coarse powder normally scours your skin, regular use of the pack leaves your skin feeling very delicate. Rose water can help with repressing and clearing skin inflammation, all over and over your entire body, as well as blurring abandoned skin breakout scars. Toner made from fennel seeds. Fennel seeds can make a quick skin toner at home. The best thing about this toner is that they entirely made it from common ingredients. This reduces pigmentation and revitalizes your skin. Toner with rose water. The regular use of rose water will keep the skin free of excess oil and help to prevent issues like zits, whiteheads, skin inflammation, and pimples. Using rose water as a toner is preferable to using substance-based toners, which can dry out the skin. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties. It's important to make sure the rose water you're using is pure and free of additives. While many over-the-counter products address dry skin conditions, they do not always work effectively for your skin. Some of them contain synthetic ingredients that, more often than not, dry out your skin. Home remedies and common items are completely unadulterated and free of such synthetics or aromas. With skincare, it's best to keep things simple,